अब नानी को चूज करना होगा, क्या क्रिकेट उनके लिए ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है या उनकी वाइफ और उनके बच्चे। ऑफ कोर्स कर ही सब कुछ उनके लिए रहे हैं, बट यहाँ पे जो सारा है उन्होंने इनके लिए एक बहुत टफ सिचुएशन क्रिएट कर दी है। देखिए क्या होगा, तो आप भी देखो, हम देखते हैं। लेट्स कम ऑन। अरे ये तो पास्ट है।
पर ये क्रिकेट को चूज करते तो नानी थोड़ी ना इनको छोड़ के जाएगा।
उन्होंने अपना घर ही चूज किया।
नाना कब?
नहीं मेरे घर सर।
नो सारा।
ये क्या?
इंडियन एयरलाइंस चेकबुक।
नाइट ट्रेन लो వెళ్తే రేపటి కలిసి
फ्लाइट टिकट करवा के दी इनकी।
ओह
రేపు మార్నింగ్ 5 AM ఫ్లైట్
ओह माय गॉड।
హోటల్ ట్రావెల్ డెస్క్ లో బుక్ చేశాను.
ओह माय गॉड।
ఈ ఒక్క రాత్రికి ఏమి ఆలోచించకుండా నాతో ఉండదా?
ओह वाओ।
ओह
నీకు నేను ఎక్కువ నాని గారు ఎక్కువ.
अरे अभी कैसे बताएंगे? ओह
అబద్ధం చెప్పా.
नानी इम्पोर्टेंट है यार।
सोच, वो सरप्राइज वो पहले ही लेके आई हुई थी।
हाँ।
इनके बोलने से पहले वो इनको देने वाली थी।
ओह ये बच्चे के लिए बहुत खुशी की बात होती है अपने पेरेंट्स को ऐसे अच्छे से साथ देखना, वरना तो हमेशा लड़ते हुए ही देखते हैं।
वाह, रणजी फाइनल।
Welcome to the Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai.
Wankhede
This is day
Stadium.
one of the Ranji finals between Mumbai and Hyderabad.
This is the match both the teams have been playing for, and this is the decider.
It's a full house and also the first ever day and
Night Ranji match in the history of Ranji tournament. Home ground for Mumbai, and Mumbai won the toss and elected to bat.
This is a crucial toss to win, and the wicket will get tougher as the match progresses. First ball, and Mumbai gets off the mark.
That is driven. The ball races to the boundary. It's a four.
क्या बात, क्या बात। भाई मुंबई सारे फाइनल जीती आई है। ओए होए होए, आउट ही नहीं हो रहे।
Straight down the ground. Another four. Hyderabad cannot believe it.
Easy runs, goes into the crowd.
एक भी विकेट नहीं गिर रही। 160 रन।
Oh, bowling!
Ah,
Finally a wicket for Hyderabad. Spectacular innings by Bhavi.
It's day two, and
Day
Mumbai is
two.
posting a massive score.
That's another six.
Wonderful.
Good shot.
More runs for Mumbai.
That's a massive score.
4-5-4।
Whoa.
That's good. Three slips and a gully. Shami bowling the first ball. What a bouncer.
वाह।
Oh, didn't know where it has gone.
हैदराबाद।
एक और।
That is ball.
अर्जुन ही चाहिए।
Ball again. He just knows what he's doing. Shami gets another wicket.
Hyderabad in deep trouble. 45 for 4. At the
ओले,
end of the
उन्होंने
day.
454।
Day three of the
इनके
Ranji
45
finals,
फोर।
and Hyderabad needs a savior. Will Arjun come to their rescue?
No, it's not him. Shami knocks over Arjun.
अर्जुन भी गया।
क्या?
Walking back to the pavilion, the danger man Arjun departs. Another wicket for Hyderabad, and they're falling down like a house of cards.
अर्जुन निकल गया।
Bowl him.
Takes the catch.
Out.
Oh
The finger
my
goes out.
God।
That's the catch in the beam.
हैदराबाद 260 पे। भाई मुंबई तो मार मार के खत्म कर दी।
Runs are pouring for Mumbai.
मेरे को अर्जुन का बिलीव ही नहीं
Pulled
हो
away
रहा
for
है।
another boundary.
आउट होते देखा ही नहीं
Mumbai in a
हमने।
comfortable lead on the verge of winning the match and the Ranji tournament.
ఆ చెత్త ఫీల్డింగ్ ఎట్రా నువ్వు వేసిన చెత్త బౌలింగ్కి ఇది చేయడం ఎక్కువ.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం మాట్లాడినా ఎంత బాగా ఆడినా అన్ని బెస్ట్ రా.
చూసంగా వాళ్ళు ఆల్రెడీ పిచ్చి కొట్టుడు కొట్టారు. మనం గెలిచే ఛాన్సే లేదురా.
6 months నుంచి మనం చేసిన హార్డ్ వర్క్ అంతా వేస్ట్ అయినట్టేనా?
అసలు మనం ఇక్కడ దాకా రావడమే చాలా గొప్ప.
नहीं, यहाँ तक पहुँचना अचीवमेंट नहीं है.
47 overs and 352 is the target, sir.
352.
Required run rate is 7.47. మ్యాచ్ డ్రా అయినా సరే ఇన్నింగ్స్ రూల్ ప్రకారం ముంబై ది ఫస్ట్ ఇన్నింగ్స్ స్కోర్ ఎక్కువ కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకి గెలుస్తారు.
ओ ड्रॉ भी नहीं कर सकते.
కంపల్సరీగా ఈ టార్గెట్ చేసి చేయాలి సార్.
లాస్ట్ డే పిచ్ చాలా అన్ప్రెడిక్టబుల్గా ఉంది సార్. 352 in 47 hours అంటే చాలా కష్టం సార్.
मुश्किल है यार.
Change in plans for Hyderabad. Arjun, who bats for Hyderabad on 4th down, is now
opening पे भेज दिया है.
second innings.
Mumbai has
Starting से ही मारो.
runs and boy they must be happy. So close to
पूरी परिवार नेबर सब आ गया.
celebrating.
Wonderful, really, Mumbai. You know, they started celebrating. Hyderabad has to do something magical if they need to win this match.
Yes.
And 351 runs in just 47 overs on a day 4 pitch seems just beyond possible.
Arjun at the batting end and Shami all ready to ball the first ball of the second innings.
Oh, that's a deadly bouncer.
Shami attacking with the ball.
Arjun!
Shami playing it dirty, trying to distract the batsman. Does the batsman have a reply to that one?
What is he doing? अब तो सब ठीक है यार.
Oh, full
ये
stop.
विनर बार.
What a terrific
And
shot.
start होने
दस.
में टाइम लगता है.
शॉर्ट बॉल डाला.
That's a 50 partnership for Arjun and Anand Reddy.
53 रन.
Oh, great shot.
74.
They need those singles. Good running between the wickets.
And good understanding between the batsmen as well.
That is played to the offside. A call for the second. More running between the wickets.
And Arjun gets to his half century. This man is making his intentions quite clear.
हक कितना रहे हैं?
Crucial innings.
50 కొడితే బ్యాట్ లిఫ్ట్ చేయడా అమ్మా?
సెంచరీ కొడితేనే లిఫ్ట్ చేస్తాడు.
उसे पता है
Two
सेंचुरी में ही
30 runs
बैट
required
करता
of
है.
2 10 balls.
Oh, front foot and misses the
Arre,
ball. He doesn't miss the
yaar.
opportunity. The finger goes up and Nandan Reddy departs.
नंदो.
Hyderabad looking to keep up with required run rate.
Another 4.
लंबा ठीक है काफी.
The ball goes high in the air. Fielder coming under it and taken. James throws his wicket away.
Oh, Ravinder completely misses
बाकी
that
प्लेयर
one.
काम की ही नहीं है.
That is hit hard.
क्या
The ball
बात.
is traveling over the boundary. This man is
अर्जुन बैटिंग करे तो आसमान में ही देखना होता है बस.
98.
Arvind Chopra is ready to ball. How will Arjun get to his century?
बाहरिंगा 6.
There's a fielder coming under it.
नहीं,
He
वो
does
तो खड़ा है.
that. That is a 6. Arjun hits it.
सेंचुरी.
अब खुश हो रहे हैं अंकल.
Well played, Arjun.
Daman
Clearly my
अच्छा
man
है.
of the
10
top.
साल बाद रियलाइज हुआ.
The question is, does Hyderabad have a chance here?
Hyderabad is doing the right thing here. Taking runs between the wickets, not leaving any opportunity to do so.
Oh nice, 201 भी गए.
More running between the wickets.
The ball races to the boundary.
Well driven. Shot.
Hit straight for a 6.
Just a little touch of the bat. Shami blocking the way, but Arjun manages to reach the crease in time.
That is most I've seen him run. He usually deals in boundaries. Today is another story.
बहुत भागा आज.
भाई. एक्सरसाइज हो गई
He
होगी
knows the
उनकी तो.
importance of singles at this moment. Every run counts, and every run takes him closer to the target.
Oh.
इतना ज्यादा थक गए.
lifted in the air, an easy catch for Shami. No man finds, and that goes to the boundary.
Let's see what Arjun can do in this crucial over. Will he turn the game around?
That finds the gap between the point and the gully. Another boundary. 24
Oh,
runs
Chavez.
required of 9 balls.
Comes down the crease and hits straight. Mid-on trying to reach it, but doesn't. That's 6.
More runs. 18 of the over already.
Amazing.
Arjun would want to take a single here.
सिंगल
Fielders
लेना
closing
सिंगल लेना
in.
अर्जुन
Will he get it
शाबाश
wrong? No.
अरे
Exactly
यार।
what Mumbai wanted. And Hyderabad disappointed. What will they do
अब
now?
वाजिद सिंगल दे ही नहीं पाएगा
कंगारू वर्क 6 balls 14 runs. It's okay, Wajid. Finals आतना Wajid. Rotate strike.
चलो
14 runs required in the last over. Was it on strike? Will he take a single and get Arjun back on strike?
Oh, that was close.
Wajid,
He misses the
yaar.
first ball. No chance for a run. It's 14 runs of 5 balls now.
He misses it
Wajid.
again. Mumbai is successful in
ऐसे
not
कर
getting
दे
a
सिर।
single. What will Hyderabad do now?
14 runs required of 4 balls now. It's high time they get a single or they are losing the match. Abhay ready to ball. The tension is building. This is the 3rd ball of the last over and Hyderabad needs a single. Will they get it?
Oh, he misses it again. But they're running. Will it be a run out?
oh,
Keeper
oh.
throws
Jaldi,
it. It misses the wicket.
बच गए।
Abhay throws it back. It's
पहुंच
time.
गए, पहुंच गए।
It's a
Not out।
winner. Is Hyderabad losing its last wicket?
रिव्यू नॉट आउट
Umpire
नहीं,
says
हाँ।
not out.
Hyderabad now
Zabardast.
needs 13 runs of the last 3
तीन में
balls.
13
Will this man finish it off for Hyderabad? This needs to be a big shot. This needs to be a boundary. Abhay bowling the 4th ball of the over. Will Arjun do it for Hyderabad?
Square cut.
Yes.
Reach the cover and the lead. That's the ball.
शानदार शॉट
हाँ
9 of
Will
2
this man hit another biggie? They need 6 for sure. 5th ball of the over. What is going to
ये
happen?
क्या होता है हवा में उड़े हो
Oh, he hits it hard. The ball is going. Will it land in the crowd? Yes, it does. What a shot.
शाबाश
Unbelievable. This man
एक में 3 चाहिए
बात है
What an innings. Abhay completely clueless.
Hyderabad now requires only 3 runs of the last ball. The team knows that Arjun can finish it off for them. Just one more boundary is all he needs to hit. Will he do it again?
Mumbai is setting the
2
field
या
now.
3 बॉल
They
होती
don't
तो
want to
थोड़ा
give another
सेफ रहता
boundary.
एक में 3 तो अर्जुन मार सकता है
अरे पर ऐसा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होना चाहिए ना यार डर लगता है
और पिछली बार ये लोग मैच फिनिश नहीं कर पाए थे याद है जब लास्ट में आ गए थे बस लग गया तो 6 है लग गया तो 6 ही है
ले यार बस क्राउड में जाना चाहिए
ओ बड़ा कैच दूसरा रन भागो अर्जुन
अर्जुन यार नहीं हार सकते ऐसे रन अर्जुन रन
डाइव अर्जुन डाइव
अर्जुन 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 कम ऑन
पहुंच गए
Will he lift the finger? And he says,
पहुंच गए जिता दिया हैदराबाद को भाई
This has been
क्या बात है
single-handedly. Well, Ranji 96-97 is taken by Hyderabad.
क्या मूवमेंट है यार
क्या बात है शेर
अर्जुन
कर दिखाया भाई क्या मूवमेंट था वो जब उन्होंने बैट उठाया ना और वो उससे पता लग गया कि भाई फाइनली वो अचीव किया और कितना ज़्यादा उनका हलक में होगा वो देख रहे थे कि अंपायर आउट देगा कि नहीं देगा नॉट आउट दिया और बहुत बढ़िया हुआ एंड उन्होंने अपनी जान लगा दी लाइक वो हाफ रहे थे उनका लाइक पूरा शरीर एकदम गिव अप कर चुका था बट फिर भी उन्होंने डाई मारी
सच में यार कितना थक गए थे वो पानी भी पी रहे थे वो भी बाहर आ जा रहा था बहुत भागे बहुत हार्डवर्क किया 6 महीने की कड़ी ट्रेनिंग करी एंड फाइनली आई बिलीव कि यार ये डिजर्व करते हैं
भाई आप लोगों को कैसा लगा कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएगा तो इसे लाइक करते जाए कमेंट करते जाए शेयर करते
और
जाए
सब्सक्राइब करिए
बाय